Are you having problem on how to sew cargo pockets like a pro? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you every steps to take on how to sew cargo pockets like a pro. HBNR families, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly do. Let's get started. HBN. I've already cut my pocket pattern. The length is 6.5 while the width is 6 inches. So I'm using cargo pocket for the joggers. So I'm going to place it on the fabric like this. So I'm going to leave seaming allowance to every edge of the pattern. So at the most I leave seaming allowance to it. So I added extra 1 inches for the hemming of the pocket opening. So make sure you add seaming allowance to the pocket. As you can see that I leave like 0.1 or 0.2 seaming allowance to every part of the pocket edge, and also I added 1 inches for the hemming allowance like this. I'm going to fold it like this. So I'm going to find the center of the side area of the joggers I want to sew the cargo pocket on. So after finding the center, this is the center. So since I'm going to put 2 cargo pockets at this area, so I'm going to measure 4 inches from the end of the side pocket. I'm going to start the measurement here, and I marked 4 inches at the center of the side area. So I'm going to apply the length of my cargo pocket, which is 6.5 inches. So I mark 6.5 inches at the center of the side area as well. So the distance between the first pocket and the second pocket is 2 inches. So I'm going to mark 2 inches here. After marking the 2 inches, I'm going to apply the length of the second cargo pocket, which is 6.5 as well. So when I'm done, I'm going to place the pattern on the marked area. But before that, this is my pattern. So the width is 6 while the length is 6.5. So I'm going to notch the center area of the pattern. So after that, I'm going to place it on the center of the side area I marked. So after placing it, I'm going to notch the center area at the top, and also I'm going to notch it at the bottom as well. So I'm going to mark every edge of the pattern area. When I'm done marking it, I'm going to use ruler to connect the marked area together. So I'm going to place it for the second cargo pocket as well, and I'm going to follow the same step as the first one. Now after that, so I'm going to sew in the 1 inches hemming allowance I added to it. So this is my side patch. So the height of my side patch is 2.5. Make sure when you are cutting the side patch, you are cutting the length area in the area that is not stretchy at all. So the length should be the area that is not stretchy. So you are going to hem it like this, and you are going to place it on the cargo pocket. So as you can see, the line rhyme with each other. So I'm going to fold here and make a top stitch on it. So after the sewing, this is how it looks like. So now I'm going to place it on the root area. I'm going to start my sewing. So you don't need to be rushed, you just need to be careful so that the stitches will be very neat. So I'm going to stitch this area just to hold the pocket opening down. I'm going to do the same thing to the other area as well. So now I need to measure the pocket opening. The pocket opening is 6 inches. So I'm cutting my pocket cover, which is also 6 inches, and I added seaming allowance to it also. So I'm going to turn it to the right face, and I'm going to make a top stitch on it. So I'm using 3.5 inches for my pocket cover height. So I'm going to place the cover like this, and I'm going to sew it, and also I'm going to make a top stitch on the pocket cover as well. So when I'm done, this is how it looks like. As you can see, it looks perfect and well stitched.